guys, it's Alyssa, Clara, and Max from Online Fabric Store. Today we're going to be dyeing Easter eggs with Rit Dye and different techniques to create different textured looks. So let's get started.
The materials you will need are eggs, we hard-boiled ours, assorted Rit Dye colors, salt, and a pot for boiling water. For some of these techniques you may also need hot glue, shaving cream, rubber bands, crayons, and paper towels. Put 1 cup of boiling water, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3 to 6 teaspoons of whatever dye colors you want in a dish. You can put the egg directly into this dye bath. The longer you leave it in, the more vibrant the color will be. Draw a design onto your egg with hot glue and allow it to dry. Put the egg in a dye bath. When you take it out, either leave the glue on the egg for a textured look, or take it off to reveal undyed sections of egg. We found that the easiest way to take the glue off was by putting it in hot water to make the glue sticky again. You can also draw a design on the egg with regular washable glue. Wait for it to dry, then dye your egg. Then, rub the glue off in water. Spray a layer of shaving cream. Drip Rit Dye into the shaving cream and mix it around to create a design. Roll the egg through the shaving cream. Allow it to sit with the shaving cream dye mix for about 20 minutes. Wipe the shaving cream off and rinse if necessary. Wrap rubber bands horizontally and vertically around the egg and put it in a dye bath. I dyed my egg before I put the bands on it, so now my egg is multicolored. When you take it out, take the rubber bands off. Draw on the eggs with white crayon. When you put it in the dye bath, the places you have written on won't be dyed. Wrap a damp paper towel around an egg. Drip Rit Dye onto the paper. Let it sit for about 20 minutes before taking the paper towel off. To make an ombre egg, follow the directions in our Ombre Dip Dye technique video.
Rit Dye is non-toxic, but we recommend that these eggs are used for decoration purposes only. Thanks for watching this OFS project. Like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks. See you next time. Bye-bye.